Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. Fa'uz billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Objective of the topic: the use of gates and create electronic circuits. To understand the different types of gates and draw truth table and recognize a logic gate from its truth table.
Process the information that comes in as input, and to make the information that's output, a computer needs to modify and combine the input signals. To do this, a computer uses millions of teeny electronic components, which come together to form circuits.
Right. It means whenever we enter data in computer process the data with the help of tiny electronic circuits. The tiny electronic circuits are made up of different gates. Like here, in this electronic circuit, you may see that there are different circuits. Like here, it is a circuit. This electronic circuit consists of different type of integrated circuits or ICs. Like here, this is an IC, this is an IC, and this is the combination of different ICs. All these ICs are like this IC are made up of different types of circuits, different types of switches. These switches are known as logic gates. Today we are going to study different types of logic gate. The simplest logic gate is known as NOT gate. In this NOT gate, basically we use one input, like we may say A, and one output, we may say X. Whenever we input a 0 in this logic gate, this logic gate flips it and convert it into 1. If a 1 is entered, it is flipped into 0. Means this logic gate inverts the input. 0 is inverted into 1 and 1 is inverted into 0. This logic gate is known as NOT gate. Basically, this is an inverter. Like a word is pass. If we want to invert the meaning of this word, we may use not pass. Basically, this not is used to invert the meaning of this word. So NOT gate is a gate which works like inverter. We may say the X means output is 1 if input is 0, and X is 0 if input is 1. In this logic gate, we have one input and one output, and we know that we have two different types of input, 0 or 1. So if we apply 2 power number of inputs, and means number of inputs, there are 1 input, so 2 power 1, 2 power 1, 2 power 1 means 2. It means in this gate we have two different outcomes. It may be possible that the input is 0, it will be inverted into 1, or input is 1, so it will be inverted into 0. It means this gate, this table shows all possible combinations of input and output. A table which shows all possible combination of input and output is known as truth table. The definition of truth table is that a table that shows all possible combinations of input and output. In this simulator we use some inputs, logic gates and output. Like here I am using this as input, this as output, and this is the NOT gate which is used. We know that in NOT gate we have one input and one output. We are connecting this. Now if this switch is off, the output will be 1, and if this switch is on, then output will be 0. Means in NOT gate if input is one, then output will be 0, and input is 0, then output will be 1, and if input is 1, then output will be 0. Then we have another gate. In this gate we use two inputs. This gate is known as AND gate. The behavior of AND gate is that it uses two inputs, and the output of AND gate is 1 only when the both input are 1. X is 1 only if both input are 1. Right? Means in AND gate there are two inputs A and B and one output X. If we have two inputs, so 2 power n, 2 power 2 is equal to 4. There will be 4 different combinations. 0 0, both input are off. 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. 1 0 and 1 1. AND gate says the output will be 1 only when both input are 1. Here both input are 1, then output will be 1, otherwise output will be 0. We may test it. This is our AND gate. We will use two inputs for AND gate, 1 and 2, and we will use one output. And we will connect these. Both input are off, the output is off. Now this condition is fulfilled. Now we will switch on the first input and off on the second input. The first input is off and second input is on. The output is off. Then we will test it. The second input is off and first input is on. The output is off. And at last both input are on. When both the inputs are on, output is on. This gate is known as AND gate. AND gate has two inputs, and only if both input are 1, then output is 1. The behavior of AND gate is that x is equal to 1 if a is 1 and b is 1, or you may say x is equal to 1 only if both inputs are 1. Right? It is also represented in this way: x is equal to a and b, or x is equal to a is 1 and b is 1, or x is equal to a dot b. This dot represents AND gate. Then we have another gate. That gate is known as OR gate. X is equal to 1 if a is 1 or b is 1, means x is equal to 1 if any input is 1. Right? Or we may say x is equal to 1, x is equal to a or b. The symbol of OR gate is a triangle with curved lines. It has two inputs and one output. As it has two inputs, then we can draw the truth table for that using these two inputs. It may be possible that a is 0, b is 0, a is 0, b is 1, a is 1, b is 0, and a is 1, b is 1. The OR gate says that if any input is 1, then output is 1, means here b is 1, so output will be 1, here a is 1, then output will be 1, and here a and b both are 1, then output will be 1. Output will be 0 only if both input are 0. This is the OR gate. We can test this OR gate using this simulator. This is OR gate. We use two inputs. Okay, then we have this output. We will connect all these. Suppose both switches are off, then output is off. If A is off, B is on, output is on. If A is on, B is off, output is on. If A is on and B is on, the output is on. So these are the three basic gates which are used to develop computer circuits. OR gate. This is OR gate. If we have two inputs A and B, if both are, any one is 1, then output is 1. Either is 1, then output is 1. In AND gate, both are 1, then output is 1. In this 5-mark question, firstly we are asked to draw the symbol. If we are drawing the symbol, so this will be for 1 mark. Then we are asked to explain this gate. So we will write down the explanation to obtain 4 marks. How we will write? We will write that either is 1, then output is 1. If A is 1, then output will be 1. Or if B is 1, then output will be 1. If both input are 1, then output will be 0 only when then both input are 0. We need to write down all these things. Then we have another question. In this question, this type of question is set in summer 2019 paper 1-1. In this question there are some descriptions and we are asked to write down the name and draw the circuit. The only time the output will be 1 when both input are 1. Which gate is this? Yes, this is AND gate. This is AND gate. In AND gate, if you remember, we have this truth table: A, B, X, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. When both are 1, then output is 1, otherwise output is 0. And we will draw the diagram of the AND gate for 2 marks. 1 mark for the name and 1 mark for the symbol. The only time the output is 1 when any input is 1, right? So this is OR gate. In OR gate we have A, B, X, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Here if any input is 1, the output is 1, otherwise 0. And then we will draw the diagram of OR gate. 1 mark for the name and 1 mark for the diagram. This is not required in the question. And then the only gate that takes one input, flip it and gives output. This is NOT gate. Because in NOT gate we have 1 input and 1 output. Circuit diagram consists of different type of integrated circuits, and these integrated circuits are developed using different types of gates. Like here you may see this is the type of gate. Basically we have 6 gates. Out of 6 we are going to study only 3 gates. Then in the next class we will study the remaining gates.